Welcome friends. In this video, we are going to discuss the basics of nanomaterial that are useful for the BSc third year student. In this video, we are going to cover introduction to nanomaterials and applications of nanomaterial. Let us start with introduction first. The term nano is originated from the Greek word that is nanos and which means small. It is exactly 1 billionth of a meter. And when we discuss about nanoscience or nanotechnology or nanomaterial, then a very small subject come in our mind. When bulk material are converted into nanomaterial, its property like mechanical, electrical, magnetic, and other physical properties such as color, solubility, melting point, etc. may changes. Example of this change is when you observe a bulk gold particle, the bulk gold particles are yellow in color, and when they are converted into nanoparticle, then its color changes. It becomes red in color. The bulk gold particles show catalytic property, while the gold nanoparticle have superior catalytic property compared to the bulk gold particle. The bulk gold particle are not useful as a catalyst, while nano gold particles are used as a very good catalyst in organic transformation. So this indicates that whenever we convert bulk particle into nanoparticle, its property changes drastically. And this change in drastic property helps us to construct various useful materials. Now, what is nanoscale? If the particle size is in the range 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer or 10 raised to minus 9 to 10 raised to minus 7 meter, then that particle is called as nanoparticle. Or that range is called as nano range. Each nanometer is only 3 to 5 atom wider, and 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 or 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter as indicated here. Some other conversions are also there. 10 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter, and that is exactly equal to 1 angstrom. Now, this slide is dedicated to this scientist Richard Feynman. This is he is also known as father of nanotechnology. He is a Nobel laureate in physics, received Nobel Prize in 1965 for introducing the concept of nanotechnology around 50 years ago. In the annual meeting of American Physical Society at California Institute of Technology on 26 December 1959, he delivered a famous lecture whose title is whose title was "There is plenty of room at the bottom." And during this lecture, he introduced the concept nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is not new to us. Yes, so it is exactly nanotechnology is not exactly known from the ancient time, but there are some medicines in Ayurveda called as bhasmas. And these bhasmas are prepared by the burning of some metals or some uh, components. So after the burning, it gives a very fine powder that is in a nano range, and it is well known that these plasmas are very much active compared to the its bulk counterpart. Now, some important term in nanotechnology. First important and basic term is nanoparticle. What is nanoparticle? Particle having the size 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer are called as nanoparticle. What is nanoscience? Study of properties, various properties such as mechanical, electrical, optical, physical properties of nano size material is studied in this branch, that is nanoscience. What is nanomaterial? These are the material having high potential and it can exist in different forms such as powdered, coating, nanotubes, particles, etc. It may be metal, composite, or ceramics. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is a branch of engineering which involves the study of synthesis and application study of nanomaterial. Now, types of nanomaterials. Nanomaterials are basically divided into two parts: non-intentionally made nanoparticle, nanomaterial, or it is also called as naturally occurring nanomaterials. And second type is intentionally made nanomaterial, that is also called as engineered nanoparticle. Now, non-intentionally made nanoparticles are the nanomaterials that occur naturally in the environment. Therefore, DNA, RNA, viruses, volcanic ashes, etc. are the example of some nanomaterials. While intentionally made nanoparticles are the nanomaterial prepared by some special man-made process. And the example of these intentionally made nanomaterials are commercially available products such as diesel, diesel smoke, cooking smoke, intentionally made and commercially available cosmetics, electronics, composites, sports items, etc. So in this way, we can classify nanomaterial into two types. Now, what are the advantages of nanomaterial? There are very important advantages, various advantages of nanomaterials are there. First, nanomaterials are more reactive than their bulk counterpart, and that is due to the increase in surface area. Due to the increase in surface area, there is more interactions around the surface to surface of the molecule takes place. Nanomaterials are more energy efficient. That is also one of the advantage. Third advantage, nanomaterials are lighter in weight. And last, nanomaterials show different properties than its bulk counterpart. And these different properties may be useful in various applications. Along with advantages, there are some disadvantages also there. First disadvantage of nanomaterial is that very less information is available on a toxic effect of nanomaterial. Nanomaterials are likely to have more toxic effect if they get contaminated in soil, air, or water resources. That is due to its increasing surface area. It becomes more effective and sometimes it may be more toxic compared to its bulk counterpart. That is one of the serious drawbacks. We can call it as a disadvantage of nanomaterial. What makes this nanoparticle special? The property of the matter is depend on its size, and the properties of matter at nano size is different than its bulk size counterpart that we have already discussed. Various properties such as solubility, color, optical, electrical, mechanical, etc. All these properties show drastic change at nano level. One of the reasons for change in properties is very high increase in surface area to volume ratio of nanoparticle than its bulk size counterpart. So due to the drastic change in all these properties, nanoparticles are special compared to the bulk particle or other size particles such as micro size particle or millimeter size particle or any other size particle. Now, last part of this presentation include the applications of nanomaterial. We know that this branch nanotechnology is very important in the field of science, research, and technology. due to the various applications of this nanomaterial. The first important application of nanomaterial is as a catalyst. So we know that nanoparticles, they are more effective due to its more increase in surface area. Therefore, nanocatalysts are also more effective than its regular size catalyst or regular size counterpart. Second application is energy source. Nanomaterials or nanocatalysts are used in solar cell, that is for the decomposition of water to produce hydrogen as a fuel. Third application is water purification. Specially made nanoparticles are used to prepare filter membranes and adsorbent useful in water purification. That is important applications. So specially made membranes, that is membrane made from silver or membrane made from copper. Okay, so these membranes, they are useful in water purification. Next application is about quantum dots. These are the small nano-sized material showing semiconductor properties. So the semiconductor nanomaterial having different color depending on particle size are called as quantum dots, and they are used in the production of television, mobile display units. Next application is in automobile. Nanoparticles are developed to improve the mechanical strength of the tire. Nanocatalysts are used to reduce the pollutant present in automobile exhaust. Next is in textile. Nanomaterials are used in the preparation of stain-resistant clothes. Next is medicine. Silver nanoparticles show antibacterial property. Nanomaterial is used in targeted drugs delivery. And the last application is in the cosmetics. Zinc oxide and titanium oxide nanoparticles are used in sunscreen lotion to produce to protect skin from harmful UV radiation. This is all about the introductions and applications of nanoparticle or nanomaterial. This is for this is for the first presentation on nanomaterial. In the next presentation of nanomaterial, we will discuss the methods of synthesis of nanomaterial and characterization of nanomaterial. Thank you.